How to change language in Alibaba app. Want to use the Alibaba app in your own language? This guide shows you how to change the language in Alibaba app so you can use it with ease. First, open the Alibaba app and go to My Alibaba at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here you'll see a lot of different options. Tap on the settings icon, which is usually a gear icon on the top right corner. Changing the language can make it easier to use the app and to communicate with suppliers. It will also help you find products and manage your orders with ease. It is a very simple but very useful feature. In the settings menu, you'll see an option that says language. Tap on it and you'll see a list of all the languages that you can choose from. Just tap on the language that you want to use, and the app will change it to that language. You can also use Deliver to option, which will naturally change the language for your delivery site. You now know how to change the language in Alibaba app. Get ready to use the app with ease. Like and subscribe for more business tips.